Well, hello, greetings to everyone. In the previous session, it was mentioned that the data obtained from the exchange is very raw and needs to be organized. In fact, this data consists of a series of numerical strings that are categorized as multiple arrays placed one after the other. Essentially, we need to extract useful price information from within these seemingly unstructured data. For this purpose, the first option that comes to mind is the excellent Pandas library, which is the best choice for data science. One of the most important tools in the Pandas library is the data frame, which is used later in the process. Well, here, using the data frame available in Pandas, we provide the unstructured stored data as input to the data frame function. We then enter the output received from the exchange stored in the data variable, along with the names of the desired columns into the data frame. According to the information available in the exchange tutorial, the columns in order include opening time, high, low, close prices, volume, etc. Well, here for example, we examine the columns of the first row of this data frame. The first column corresponds to the opening time of the candle, and later I will explain opening date. Then the next part is the opening price of the candle, which is the second column in the rows, and this number represents the highest price during the time of the candle with the specified time frame. Also, the lowest price and closing price are also provided. For example, the fifth column is the closing price. In fact, the closing price at this time is equal to this number. Now, by pressing run, the print function leads to displaying the data frame containing organized price information. To avoid having too many columns, not all information is printed on the print page. Now, for beautification, I specify here which specific columns of the data frame should be displayed. For example, here I can print specific columns. Here I only include columns related to the opening time and closing price of the candle in the print function, for example. Well, as you can see, we have 100 rows here equal to the limit variable. And the desired information is displayed in this table. As another example here, instead of the closing price, I consider the volume. By pressing run, the volume is also displayed for me. You can do this for the remaining columns as well. In fact, with this, we were able to organize the desired information more systematically. Thanks.